Ulale kahle ke bamba la.
Hello, Mzansi in the world. Welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. My name is Davis. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your support. Please like, comment, and share.
Ene ke hotse ke re ke tlo thusa batho ba ba sotleileng mo bophelong. E ka re ba tlo thusa nna no.
Akekho mina umuntu engimaziyo ufunde kakhulu ekuthiwa unemali eningi ngoba nakho ufunde kakhulu. Ngoba ufunde kakhulu bese kuthiwa unemali eningi.
Akhona ama-doctor nama-CA. Anemali eningi. Black Crabs. Tswala festere pula etla.
Yo guys, my boyfriend loves me so much. You know what happened today, ne? So I tried to call him using my phone, but I couldn't because my phone was off. So I'm like, okay, let me use my friend's phone. I don't have to ask because she went out. So I'm like, nah, I take her phone, I know her password, and then I dial my boyfriend's name. I can see Kutaibo is saved as love of my life. I mean, he's the love of my life, guys. You guys don't understand. So I call him and he's like, hello, baby. Mind you, I haven't said anything there, but he knew it was. Huh?
Papa.
Batong kan basadi ba makula ba tla ne mo South Africa.
Bo my friend.
Le rantere roba la makule. Nkero roba la makule batho re go batho ba kwang. Ge ba robetse makule. It
was a long day, man.
Please, sir. Can you please send me the picture?
Picture?
Yes.
Okay, this is my wife. You can ask her.
Can you please take me the pictures? Please.
It's fine. You can take your pictures.
I can. Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine. You can take
Okay.
it. It's okay.
Take your pictures.
Yeah, change the pose. Try to lift your nyash a bit.
Yeah.
Yes, now it's showing now. Picture. And your breast, can you just make it up in? Yes, that's nice. No, I want you to, when you show it up, when your nyash comes out,
Yes.
and your breast must,
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Sister.
Nice.
I'm
Thank you.
Can I see? Let me see how they look.
Yes.
No, I didn't ask your number, miss. Why are you putting your number here? Did I ask you to give me your number? Eish, those married men, you guys.
Trash.
Uvuka nje mfethu usuphafuzela ugwayi uvuka nje. What if today wasn't going to be that hectic? What if today was not going to be a stressful day when I got nje uvuka? You don't even give the day a chance, bruh. Vuke wabhema nje.
Bekubhede emaphupheni.
Ene lirabana le maslule nara. After le blame mama teacher. Le blame ma principal la skolo saya se Rudy. Te back.
Bafu.
Ele ferijo level Big Brother ya le apply lane for security. Akere una la khona levelela CCTV footage butsara le busuka muka. Le electron.
Masingaphenga abantu bama iPhone shooting ngeke siposte thina ko TikTok. Shooting ngeke sitrend. Ayibafani yocingana abafani ngoba nathi siyafuna ukutrenda.
Awubona kahle.
Ngibona kodwa.
Hayi, awubona.
Siyafuna ukutrenda nathi.
Uthatha ubangwana wesikolo. Ngani awumunati. Awumunati ubangwana wesikolo.
Ngobani?
Nje yabona ukuthi kambo bo 90% bo 100% bo 80. Umuntu ubona o charge le phone. O charge le phone fela. Kona udibona. Kwa mo.
Mara NG uzamile musara at least I charge ko 30.
Salman, right? Anas, konta kanana phela. Phela. Wena ushawa yini? Shaya mina ama waves.
Uzosuma ngiyibuka.
Wena. Yeah, ushawa waves of emails aba. Waves of follow-ups.
Kind regards.
You must choose the ways that you want to handle on a Monday or during the weekend.
Sweet life.
Ugcwele amapipe. Asuka from eDeep Soweto to Ephimville.
Food. Where's the river?
Umfula ukho president. The only thing that we have amavenue yokujiva from eDeep to Ephimville.
Gradient. What is the gradient?
I-gradient.
Funny project manager.
I-gradient, i-budget December.
Yeah, but what is the gradient?
Oh, leyo angazi.
Engineer ratio ukuthi extraction na suction. Ingredient phela ukuthi uthola.
Tata, yima kaloku tata, namhlanje uziva njani ngale match? Ufuna ndo lapha namhlanje?
I'm delighted. I'm very happy about this match. Yeah, hope we want the changes here in South Africa.
Kuthiwa nizokwenzana apha from your understanding? Kuthiwa nimatshela ntoni ngokwazi kwakho?
No, we want the freedom. Yeah, because we are not free. We are not free. We are still obsessed about.
All right.
Who are in charge here in South Africa.
Okay, all right. So we're trying to move out of this particular show so that we get a better understanding. So, Katlego, in terms of the streets that are going to be closed, we'll try to then make our way here. Let me bring in another gentleman here. How are you, my brother? What do you understand to be happening today? You don't understand what's happening today. So that those individuals who just said they don't know why they're here. So we're trying to make our shot so that we can be able to hear us audibly. Mama namhlanje nithini nge-foreign policy South Africa. You understand ukuthi makukhulunywa nge-foreign policy kukhulunywa ngani? Yeah, I understand that. Kancane. All right, but as a young person, when you talk about issues of foreign policy, South Africa's stance on US and wars, what's your view as a young person?
As a young person,
ukabulela language ha.
What's that again? Re batla melereko, re batla lo tse dintsinyana, tlhabologo, ko magaeni.
So ditaba tsa di war, ona le ditaba tsa tsona di tsona wena.
Taba tseng
tsa di war bo Trump, Iran, Ukraine, Russia. Unakana ka tsona ka ntwena tsena as a young person.
They are married. It
All right. Well, it seems as if some of these supporters, it seems as if some of these supporters do not really full comprehension of the actual purpose of this match. Mama, what's happening today according to your understanding? Why you limo?
Ngizela ukuthi angazi. Mara di batla boroto.
Sushi batla boroto.
Omunye selokho athwasa akana ma client ubhodla kuphela. Omunye uyi lesbian kodwa uya prevent. Ayusilo namalumzanele.
Omunye ucabanga ukuthi mangiposta ngihlezi ngibhekise kuye. Lex Satali. Awubalekanga ngaleyo ndlela ufana nomenchiswe fiber.
Omunye uzenza umrogo. Udliwa abantu abadala kuphela.
Omunye kanje bekangihlanyisa manje sengimdlula njengalabantu bama sim card.
Abanye benza imndeni ngokwegazi nje.
Hey bu.
Makuthiwa kiwa ngeenhliziyo, Anitha kathi goni neenhliziyo ezimbi.
Hey lenzima kakhulu le.
Ninomona ningolwabishi ngodoti.
Yizo zonke izinto zokuthunya uphuthu lezi.
Omunye unengane ezu4 ngoba babahlukene. Enda kaphuzi. Yonke nje lemkhili ngani uyenze so.
Batho baby. Ukwatile.
Ngasikwati jwa motella mme.
Mara mama ha le nna le botello nyana o ka se rekentse mofatse mama ha wa ba disa di go ba Rashidi ka mmutisa kere ko a lolele a rae dikha ya anthusa ke na ka robala ka tsone a re di hata a tsena ka botsofa mo mbateng re di hata re thusa le re basadi bo botlhe re bukile matsweng nna ke na le bokae ke sale yang nahana ke tlhatsa dikopo tsa batho ba tsofetseng ho nka motintsha ho nka botsofa
le bogang
ene la ke tsa ka e kweno jo la go jo ha ka e kweno fru ke motoho motse ha re nyana ke boroto di side 6 he motse ha re hape so ha be yo ho no nna go ha batho ba mni bona sampona ke nonne re budgeting ko re tsa ha ka hararo a re skipping ni re snacka ka di grapes le na kweno kwa hotla ke nuts ke dilo tse di murula o happieti wa ka yo ai nanga skolo ka se re ke ntse mo fatse motho le fetshile sesi ke re ka lona dia bogobe ka 3 letsatsi le mo letsatsi le mo he bora ka di ba bona le bana ba be kae ene le ja kae honestly that's no wa jewa le lapi he a le felle ke menchis mo tshwantse go kana le 3 foot he ba re dia tie ba binitse ke mang ba wena ba mbone ko Instagram ba subscribe ko YouTube a ke tonki a ke tshwena se mo di zoom ene ba rata go ape lapi a neng se se ke kwa ba go chef a ke chef ke chef abe bolele pi ga o ira ene maujo wa rata gore one
to mam di mo expect lo man mama na men
mara ke sia eng
okay di falls ana
wa ya ja nama o jela nama
okay nse di falls
bushiwo ya bela yetsa le semolo nyana man oh man no bueno ene like bushiwo like 3 expression ho sia na bana ba teng ha o bobone bana ba teng ha o ba bone o tole mara o bone selo ai le na ko eno le na la thakatha isiqitho se twemile ko eno ke na ko kona ba bela yetsa mara wa go ba se fela
fa o tloa kwana fela o liwa
mara ra ngo bona mars
hana meno ke re bana ba utlwang ba mathabusiwa ba utlwa kwana fela o liwa
nna go hira maklas tampe tsa di tsimwa ra bushiu ba tse ba tlo wapisa ka 3 ya matsa go beiwa high 7 mo letsatsing high 7 mo letsatsing ke ditampa ke fanto hape manna
ke bangata ko hae
ala ira ke nna ke makoti mara ala ka dira nna a sala ka dira nna ke bara khadi ke bo malume ke bara ngwani ke ba pele ke mang ke nna ngwana ke ba dibile nna wena ke sekgela nkobeng mara ma why are vele
le bogane
la ke na motho o moholo fela a me ipina ke bo no ha man no man ke bo 666 man
o ba wisa
no nna vele ngise hae motho a modimo ne ke ntse ke nyaka vele go zama Caesarine kono nda lesbian le balletse lenyalo o ba botsa
khale ko bona
ke tlotlana le mmabushi wa re ke sho yena ga ira beta bo lesbian bo cause ana re motho re se o practice etsa o practice
tella mama
ushiwa bote
no, that was funny, guys. Thanks for making this fun and thanks for supporting this channel. Please like, comment and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you in the next upload.
Nama ya bona ko pali ditse hantle ya ta hona mo tshisa nyama.